In this video, I will show you how to feed data in Amibroker. Amibroker is an advanced technical analysis software. Scope of this video just limited to connection with Amibroker and data feed. You can learn more about Amibroker on YouTube. So let's get started. If you are first time using YouTrader to feed Amibroker, I would suggest create new database in Amibroker just for YouTrader. So let's create new database for YouTrader in Amibroker. To create new database, please follow these steps in video. Open Amibroker, click on File menu, then New and then Database. On Database Settings window, change name of the database as shown and then click on Create button. And then click OK button. And you are done. Now open YouTrader. And then click Feed menu. You can see two options there. 1. Amibroker and 2. Amibroker Snapshot. First option feed only single script or stock, while Snapshot option feed multiple stocks of your choice at one time. So let's go with Snapshot option. So click Amibroker Snapshot. You can see the Snapshot window open. First time there won't be any stocks in list to feed in Amibroker and you have to add it using Add button. But before adding stocks, let me explain you functions of different buttons available on Snapshot window. Backfill and Start Feed All button. Using this you can backfill the stocks in Amibroker and continue feed data in live market. Start Feed Only Active. You can use this to feed only active stock in Amibroker. Open in Amibroker button. Using this option you can open stock in Amibroker. Under Menu button, there are different options available like Delete Stocks in Amibroker, or Delete Last Candle in Amibroker, etc. Add button allows you to add stocks to feed in Amibroker. Remove buttons allows you to remove stocks from list so you can stop feeding to removed stocks. Exit button to quit feeding and close this window. Now let's add some stocks in list to feed in Amibroker. Click Add button. You can see three options. Select and add. Using this you can add stocks of your choice from the available list to feed data. All stocks. Using this option you can quickly add all stocks in list to feed. All stocks mean all available in YouTrader. All NIFTY stocks. Using this you can add all NIFTY stocks to feed data. All my favorites. Using this option you can add all your favorite stocks you set in YouTrader. Now click Add button. And click on Select and Add button. This opens a list of stocks to add. Select some stocks by clicking Stock Name in List and then click on Add button. This would add selected stocks in Feed List. Now click Backfill and Feed All button. This would start backfilling data and immediately start the live feed in Amibroker of selected stocks. Now open Amibroker and open your stocks by clicking symbol in left side and watch the price. Now use your skills in Amibroker to filter stocks for trading. This is how you can feed the data in Amibroker. Even though Amibroker is not open, YouTrader open it automatically for you at the time you open Snapshot window. You can feed all 200 plus stocks at same time using YouTrader Snapshot. Please note that YouTrader supports only cash data, and prices are almost live or 2-3 seconds delay. All stocks feed at the interval of 5 seconds. An active stock at the interval of 3 seconds. Now if you want to stop the feed, you can go back to Snapshot window and click the Stop Feed button. This is all about feeding data in Amibroker using YouTrader. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get you notified for upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.